Hey guys, need to find bus routes in Google Maps using just your mobile device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. So first off, start by opening Google Maps app on your mobile device, and now from there, find your destination to which you want to go. You can use the map just by clicking on the location to which you want to arrive, or you can use the search bar at the top. So now when you see the description of the location, just click on the directions option at the left side of your screen, and then make sure that the public transport mode is selected. Now from there, you will be seeing all of the options of the public transports, and to see exactly the bus option, go to the modes just here by clicking on it and then enable the bus option at the bottom. Now you will see all of the bus routes option that you can use. Just simply click on it and then you will see all of the details about your route. So to see the details fully, just swipe up this tab right here, and then you can read to which, for example, bus station you have to go to catch the bus, on which station you have to change the bus, and afterwards you can simply click on the start option at the bottom left to start your trip. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.